welcome to the garden. Today I'm going to give you some tips on when to harvest your cucumbers. They actually start off fully formed at the base of the female flower. And they are edible even at this early stage, but they're just so tiny it's probably not worth it. So if you see them dying back at this point, then they probably just didn't get pollinated properly. That dead flower will eventually fall off, and the cucumbers should start to grow pretty quickly. You can certainly harvest younger cucumbers like this, and these make great little pickles. I find though that my plants only produce 3 or 4 of these at a time, so if you do want to make a large batch of pickles, I recommend growing several plants. You've actually got to keep an eye on them and make sure that they don't get too ripe. And the way to tell is by looking at this end of the cucumber down by the flower. Cucumbers will swell and grow from the top down. This is an extreme case where the end is actually still the size as a baby. These will get longer and longer up until the end starts to swell. I harvested 3 cucumbers last night. I wanted to get these 2 before they got too ripe, and this one is too ripe. So you can see this one is perfect. It's got a little bit of a point at the end. This one is right on the edge of getting overripe, but should still be nice and tender. And then this one is a little bit overripe. You can see it's kind of blunt because it's so swollen and flat. But this is definitely still edible. Eventually the skin will get tough and you want to peel the whole thing away. But we can do a little garnish trick and just peel away strips. You want to space them out. So we end up with some really nice stripes. And now when we slice this, it's going to have a beautiful pattern. So let's do some slices here. And you can see it's very tender. But look at that, isn't that beautiful? So this serves 2 purposes. It looks great, but it's also thinning out that tougher skin. Yep, that's perfect. The seeds aren't really swollen yet. The skin isn't really that tough yet. They don't get woody until they're really overripe. The fruit will be really swollen and kind of turn yellow and white. One of the other problems with overripe cucumbers is this little chamber of air at the center. That can get really big. Now if this were way too ripe, we could remove the rest of the skin, slice it down the middle like this, and then just like scooping seeds out of a cantaloupe or a squash, we would just use a spoon and remove all the seed bit here. Just like that. So we end up with a little boat shape. And then these we can slice down really thin, almost like into little noodles. Those can be pickled, tossed in vinegar, thrown into a salad. They're really versatile. But look at these are so cool. So I've added some sliced red onion, some halved Kalamata olives, and some feta cheese. I've also drizzled just a little bit of olive oil. And now I'm going to add some fresh herbs, including thyme, rosemary, and oregano. Just a nice little Greek mix. And I'll finish off with a drizzle of balsamic vinegar. And this is a really simple, kind of a Greek cucumber salad. This is excellent. So to tell when it's time to harvest your cucumbers, I always look at the blossom end. Once it starts to swell, they're virtually done growing and ready to harvest. So I hope you give this a grow in your garden. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.